Hey guys, today I'm coming at you with the 10 best YouTube video ideas that you can make today about YouTube video ideas. YouTube content about YouTube content is the best YouTube content. Do you want to be rich? Well, here's 10 passive income ideas you can use to take advantage of other people that also want to be rich, where you can sell them ideas for making passive income. In this online course, we're going to teach you how to build and sell an online course about building and selling online courses. So obviously I'm being a little bit hyperbolic here, but I do find it interesting that we are entering an era where reaction videos to original videos are getting more views than the videos themselves. We are also seeing interesting things where a lot of YouTube videos are all about YouTube videos and how to make YouTube videos and what the best YouTube video content is. Seems to be that some of the best YouTube content is YouTube content about the best YouTube content. It's just an interesting series of recursion. I look at YouTube nowadays and I wonder, are we in content heaven or content hell? I think there's a pretty good argument to be made for either one of those, which makes a lot of sense in a world where content is easier than ever to publish. I've even noticed this applying to the personal knowledge management system world of YouTube, basically the world of YouTube about note-taking. In my own case, starting a PKM system led me to realize that I wanted to start a YouTube channel. So I now have a YouTube channel that is loosely about personal knowledge management systems. And a lot of my personal knowledge management system is about YouTube. It's another interesting example of recursion. But I want to challenge you to do something creative. I'm going to challenge myself to do something creative after I make another 10,000 videos or so to appease the algorithm. I will get right on that.